What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? So it's me again, and I'm doing some crochet butterfly boho faux locks. That's a mouthful right there, you guys. But thanks for coming on my channel. I hope you'll watch this to the end. Please comment, like, subscribe, share. You guys know what to do. So I'm doing some butterfly crochet faux locks. So my client here with her beautiful self, she asked me if I could add some curly hair. And so I thought about it. It's like an epiphany went off, and I thought about, oh, that's a great idea. I can just add some curly crochet braid hair as opposed to having this hair with already the curly crochet hair attached to it. So you're going to see in this video, I'm going to add some curly pieces of crochet braid hair in. And so I'm going to kind of do it myself, and just kind of make it my own look, how I want it to look, of course, with asking the client as well. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I have over 30 years in this hair industry, and I have over 300 and something videos on my channel. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I know sometimes people watch and don't subscribe, but please subscribe. That will be a blessing to me and my channel. And again, I have tons of videos. I'm an ex-salon owner in a storefront, brick and mortar. And so I'm going to start, putting a lot more information on here for hairstylists, for salon owners, suite owners, brick and mortar owners, all you guys, is to help with the hair industry. Any feedback I have, but drop comments below. You can scan this QR code right here to subscribe. And you guys, please give me a thumbs up. And anything you want to see, know about, hear about, learn about, drop it in the comment below. Please like and share. Love you guys. Peace and blessings. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Watch this to the end, you guys, so you can see how beautiful it is. Peace and blessings. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.
Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around there.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Fire can't cool me up on fire. Better than you, me a spit fire. Nobody test me around there.
It's features.
Original Batman.
Standard.
pressure from my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth, I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate. You just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it hit. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect, I ain't never gonna lose, I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin'. Ballin', ballin', yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I be busy ballin', 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 yeah, I be busy ballin'.
keep on my headspace, my mental soul, yeah. Can't change that dependent, that's true. Swear on what I got, you'll be the one. Won't make it out, news of the month. Talk of the town, no way around it. If your blessings turn curses, I'm round, yeah. Mean these verses like every word, I'm about that. Let the whole world know that you found me.